Now, if you're in Ghana or you're in Nigeria and you're tired of earning in cedis and naira, which keeps on depreciating against the dollar, then this video is for you. We're going to talk about 3 exciting, tested and proven ways that you can use to earn dollars while residing in your home country, whether it's Ghana or it's Nigeria. And so just be glued to your seat and click on the like button. Leave a comment if you agree or disagree what we're going to talk about, because today we're going to have a lot of fun talking about 3 ways you can make money in dollars while you live in Ghana and so or Nigeria. Now let's share to our friends so we can all watch and grow together. Now this video is for infotainment purposes only. It is not financial advice. Speak to a financial advisor before you start doing any of the investments or which we will talk about in this video. Alright, so let's go to the first point. Now the first one is investing in stocks or ETFs. Now if you invest in stocks which are listed in the US stock exchange, companies like Google, Amazon, Tesla, Facebook, which is Meta, and all these companies are in dollars. And so when you earn money from them, they also pay you in dollars. And so you get some nice capital gains in dollars, plus you get dividends in dollars. That's the advantage you get from these companies. And so if you're somebody that is really interested in earning money in dollars from stocks, this is one of the good ways to go about it, earning dividends in dollars. Now, we also have companies called REITs, which are real estate investment trusts, which show you, or basically, they're basically like real estate investments where investors pool their resources together and then they get paid money in dividends for that as their rent. And so it's also quite a good investment for investors out there, especially for newers or new guys who are new to investing in the US stock market. And all these things pay you in dollars. And so if you're in Ghana or Nigeria and you want to learn how to do so, the app to buy the stocks with is called the Bamboo app, which allows Ghanaians and Nigerians to invest on the New York Stock Exchange. And so if you're interested in learning how to do that, you can join our VIP coaching class, which is going to teach you how to do so. Just leave a comment or click on the link in the description, and then we'll guide you through the process on how to do so. So that's the first point, investing in US stocks. Now the second point, which is on how you can earn money as in dollars, is by freelancing. What's freelancing? Freelancing is when you have a skill which is recognized globally, and then you basically upload your skills and services on a freelancing website and people pay you for it. Now there are a lot of freelancing websites out there. We have Upwork, we have Fiverr, and these are sites that freelancers uploaded on. They are global sites, and you are paid in dollars. Now, some of the skills that you can put on these sites are graphic designing, copywriting, website designing, writing articles, programming, virtual assistants. All these skills are very good skills, which are in high demand out there. And so if you can do any of these things I've mentioned, you just go to your website, upwork.com, fiverr.com, TopTal is also the .com, and then you type in, you sign up, you go through all the processes, you upload your skills, upload your services, like the way you see others do, then you give your price, and then that's it. Then when you get a request, you do your work diligently, do it well to the best of your ability, and when you do so, you keep on getting more reviews, more stars, you build up a profile, and then you take it out from there. Now the third point, it's on the selling of digital products and online courses. Now, selling of digital products is actually an amazing way to make money in dollars online. This is because if you do the work up front, that you do it once, you upload it on the site, and then you keep on getting paid for it. Now, this can be an online course where you use websites like Udemy, Teachable. There are a lot of them. You upload the course, you set the price, and the system does the rest. You promote the course. With Udemy, at least you pay a commission. Teachable, you don't pay a commission on each sale, and there are different ways to go about it. Then you can use websites like Etsy, you sell digital artwork, you sell digital products, all of them. There are so many examples of different ways you can go about it. The most important thing is to choose one that you are highly familiar with, which works well for you, and it's something that you really want to push because it's something you believe in. Once you're able to hit all these criteria or hit these boxes, you are basically good to go. Now, how much can you sell? I mean, when it comes to ebooks, Some people sell ebooks for $15, some sell them for a bit more, some of them sell them for a bit less. All depends on you and what you want to achieve when it comes to the digital product. And so I will recommend that you start with something you can do easily. Make sure that the product is of very good quality because people are going to buy it. If it's an ebook, make sure that it's the best ebook that has ever been written. If it's a digital art, make sure it's best, it's very good, and it's nice. Whatever you want to do, make sure that you do it well so that your clients will recommend you to more clients, and send to more clients, and send to more clients, and then you can all benefit from it. And so this brings us to the end of the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and we'll engage more. Thank you guys for watching.